Now, because the previous two classes, we teach you how to use the Gini index and entropy index to compute the tree, right? But now we will use the Python to do that. In order to not do too much the same things, I want you to find this demonstrate code. We will start it from here. 就是为了不要做那么多之前做过的事情，我们 we started from here. 我要找一个档案 is I put it in here. The day is 21st. The demo code for select attributes. Python. Okay, so we use this as a demonstration. So please download it. And let me see. Demo code for select attribute here. And I will teach you to finish the assignment job. So please follow me. Download these two codes. And start our spider. Yes, spider. Okay. First, please load the file. Okay. Remember, the file and the data have to be the same folder. Be sure that one without check. Okay. The first thing to please rename your name because it has to be your name. 这个是老师的名字，请你改。The topic will change to select attribute 挑选变数。白色。好。Then the previous will be the same, but the render date will change. Today's date, 2026. April 21st. And then criterion originally is Gini. And remember, even the decision tree, 就算是决策树，也要加 random state， 不然会不一样。Even the decision tree, we need to do that. And today, the minimum sample stability we set as a point. Okay, these are the things I changed. First, name, name, and topic, and the random state, and the minimum sample split. I changed here. If everything is done, please save us a new file. As today's date, I want 2026 April 20. And then execute to see the result, whether you understand with me. Okay. First, the training is here. The lips is here. The depth is here. You understand with me？你到这里必须要先跟我一样，才能往下。好，我等你。